Evil pirate fairy thing.
Noted. Say happy birthday to me, and here is the dog that can do an amazing thing.
Wait, so you're buying us for the
Isn't it cute?
Oh, poor Teddy.
There. Woo! So cute. Isn't he cute? He's the most adorable. His name is Teddy. Yeah, isn't he cute?
Yep, that's right, Bonnie, run. Alright, Rachel, pick up the thing if you can. Don't drop it.
I won't. Teddy!
Oh, goodness. Are you going to make me trick?
Teddy.
We'll have Teddy back in a minute.
Please enjoy this. Wait.
Teddy.
Thank you for waiting.
Teddy. Yes, Bonnie, go away. Dixie, can you put Bonnie in the crate? Bonnie, sit. Yes,
Is it shooting?
yeah, sit. Come on, sit. Sit. Come on, sit. Nana, sit. Come here. Sit. You're so cute. Sit. Come on. Yes. Daddy. Give me here. Daddy. He knows I have treats. Yeah, I don't have any. Here. Daddy, can you sit? You want out? Sit. Other way. I know, he knows how to do it both ways. Yeah. Daddy. I just like spin. It's really cute. Yeah. Ready? Sit. I know my friend's cat gets dizzy and falls down. Ready? Other way. Good boy.
I really hope it's not like so many.
No, it's still this okay. It's not. It's not. He's so cute. Can you make him stand up? Come on. Up. Oh, that's adorable.
Oh!
Stand on two legs and spin.
I thought Bonnie had to do that.
Fun. Yeah, Danny does it too. Up. You can do it.
Come on, you can do it. Come on.
Does he know left and right?
Let me do this.
Spin left. Spin.
Lexi.
Why does she always do that? I don't know.
She always she sneezes when she's like,
Oh, he got like a little dizzy. Kind of stumbled away. When you put it on YouTube, you should put it under 2 hour tricks.
come here, Teddy. Come on, you want to say goodbye to people? Say happy birthday, Rachel. Hey, Ross. Say happy birthday to me. Say happy birthday to Rachel.
What's Teddy doing his tricks?
Bye. You're really the cutest. Yeah, bye.
Rachel. Yes.
Yes. Bye. It's my birthday.
How do you play it then?